According to the map, the forest spirits live right near here.
Wow, look at the colors! It's magical!
It's raining!
It came fast. Quick, get under the trunk.
Grab the tarp while you're there. Get the tent up before the downpour hits.
I got the chairs, Dad!
Hurry, it's really coming down now.
Look how bright it's getting! Wow, it's huge now!
I can feel the warmth already.
Stew is ready, everyone!
It smells wonderful.
I'm so hungry!
Soup is perfect for the weather.
It really warms you up.
Can I have more bread,
The
please?
forest spirit watched us from the shadows, waiting patiently for the rain to stop before it showed its true form.
I finally get to use this one.
Looks like you have to draw two.
Oh, seriously, Mom?
They knew they were safe and warm inside their little tent, listening to the lullaby of the rain on the leaves.
Don't worry, we're safe inside the tent.
The whole forest lit up! It's beautiful!
Nature's power is incredible,
One
isn't it?
Mississippi, two Mississippi.
If you look closely, you can see the summer triangle starting to form.
I see it! It's so bright!
The stars really pop now that the lights are off.
Do you see that? A real deer! It's magical! Cheers, everyone, to a beautiful morning!
This breakfast is the best.
Thank you for the meal. Is the fire out completely?
Yes, and the tent is packed.
Thank you for the memories.